Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, opening your curtains, and boom, the sun has exploded. No sunrise, no warm golden light, just chaos in the sky. Sounds like the beginning of a sci-fi movie, right? But let's ask, what would actually happen to us if the sun exploded tomorrow without warning? First, let's clear something up. The sun is a pretty chill star. It's not set to explode anytime soon. In fact, it has around 5 billion years of life left. But hey, this is a what-if scenario, so let's break some science rules and pretend it suddenly goes supernova tomorrow morning. What would Earth experience? Would we instantly vaporize? Would we even notice right away? Let's find out. Here's the first twist. If the sun exploded, we wouldn't know immediately. Light and heat from the sun take about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel to Earth. So for those last 8 minutes, everything would look normal. You could be sipping coffee, scrolling on your phone, and not realize the biggest disaster in history had already started. Then darkness. The sun's light would vanish, leaving Earth in pitch black. No glowing ball in the sky, no blue skies, just an instant, terrifying night. But wait, it gets worse. The solar explosion would release an insane amount of radiation and energy. If it went supernova, the blast would shred the entire solar system. Planets like Mercury and Venus? Gone in seconds. Earth? Well, let's just say our real estate value drops to zero instantly. If somehow the explosion wasn't strong enough to fully destroy Earth, we'd still be in trouble. Without sunlight, the planet would start freezing. Within a week, average temperatures would drop below freezing everywhere. Within a year, Earth's surface would hit minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. The oceans would freeze solid, and the only survivors might be microbes deep underground. Oh, and gravity? That's another nightmare. The sun's gravity keeps planets in orbit. If it blew apart, Earth would stop orbiting neatly and drift off into space like a lost balloon. Imagine Earth just wandering into the darkness, freezing, with no star to call home. Romantic? Maybe for a few seconds. Then it's game over. Here's the shocking part. Humans would probably never see the sun actually explode. By the time the explosion's light reached Earth, the destructive radiation and shockwave would already be racing toward us at nearly the speed of light. Translation: Earth wouldn't slowly fade away, it would likely be vaporized almost instantly. No time for panic, no heroic space mission, and no Bruce Willis saving the day. Just poof. In short, if the sun really exploded tomorrow, we wouldn't have time to say goodbye. The good news? The sun isn't the exploding type. Only stars much bigger than the sun go supernova. Our sun is more of a slow and steady type. It will expand into a red giant billions of years from now, gently roasting Earth like an overcooked marshmallow, not blowing it to bits. So relax. Tomorrow's sunrise is safe. But hey, isn't it wild to imagine what if? If you enjoy these thought experiments where science meets imagination, hit that like button, share your what if ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more curious scenarios. Who knows? Next time we might ask, what if Earth had two suns?